I could survive, Gloria Gaynor. At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live with you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along and serve your back from another space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look on your face. I should have to change it, stupid look too. I should have. 1 second, your back bothered me. Go and go. Look at the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore when you're the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye. Did you crumble? Did you think I'd lie down and die? Oh, not a lie, I would survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll still alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my life to give, and I'll survive, I will survive. Hey, hey. I took all the strength I had not to fall apart, just trying hard to meet me the pieces of my broken heart. I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high. And so you see me, somebody new. I'm not that changing up. A little person is still in love with you. And so you feel like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Well, now I'm saying all my loving for someone who's loving me. Go and go. Walk at the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break my with goodbye? Did you crumble? Did you think lie down and no, and I will survive? Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll still alive. I've got all my life to live, and I got all my life to give, and I'll survive, I will survive. Oh, go on and go. Go walk the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. When you're the one who tried to break me with goodbye, did you crumble? Did you think it lie down and die? Oh no, I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my life to give, and I'll survive, I will survive, I will survive. Thank you so much.